saw a warrior, his name is a mystery. He came from space to save the rays of another galaxy. Only the Earth's teenage warriors can unleash the great ninja power. Our hero Joe will always go where the greatest dangers lay, to fight for Earth, defeat Zaboom, chase the evil ones away. Ninja robots, the power's in you to protect the Earth. Ninja robots, fighting for right in the universe. And for Romina, the alien princess. Ninja robots, the power's in you. You're in the machine. Ninja robots, no matter how tough, you follow your dream. Someday we'll be back on the Earth together.
Hazard and Gratan's sinister alliance plans to destroy Joe and the ninja robots at the Polar Ice region. Joe goes in search of the underground rebel forces who live in that place, and then meets and is aided by a young rebel named Damien. Together they thwart Hazard and Gratan's treacherous invasion. After this great battle, Joe and the rebels will form an allegiance.
What do you want, Hazard? We have nothing to do with you.
Gratan, I hope you haven't forgotten our plans to capture the princess.
Our plan? You're joking. I have supplied you with enough weapons to hinder the entire galaxy, and you come back empty-handed. You are an incompetent fool, and I will not tolerate your mistakes any longer.
Don't get excited, Gratan. You know very well the princess is already in our hands.
Are you telling me that Xenos 5 is within our grasp?
Our victory is at hand. Now is the precise moment to attack. You must trust me with this, Gratan. If you put me in charge of your stealth destroyers, Xenos 5 will be yours.
I advise you not to disappoint me again, Hazard.
Don't worry, Gratan.
Maybe this human isn't as useless as I thought.
Princess, we have no time to lose. You must make up your mind. We've wasted a lot of fuel repairing the Xenos 5 and will not be able to survive another attack. I've given this a lot of thought, and the only safe place for us is behind those mountains. Gratan will not be able to reach us there. We must go there at once. Princess Rowena, it's the only chance we have left.
Icelander, the polar people do not want us in their territory.
I don't care. What those people think is of no concern to me whatsoever.
Hey! What do you mean you don't care? You're gonna invade their village and there's nothing they can do about it?
The king has put me in charge of protecting the princess's life, and I will do so no matter what.
So that's it. What about the terrestrials? Who's gonna protect their lives? I thought you had some regard for other people, but you're just as bad as Hazard is!
Let us talk to them. I'm sure if we explain our situation, they'll be more than willing to help us out. Princess, if you agree, I'll go and ask for their assistance.
I agree. I place you in charge of the town visit.
Joe and the others are headed this way.
Joe, it's alright, let him in.
What? But we have orders not to let anybody
I'll
through.
take responsibility.
Okay.
Vladimir, did you hear that noise?
What noise?
Oh my goodness!
Your priority is to locate their main headquarters and artillery room.
Alright, let's go.
Joe, put that weapon away. We didn't come to the polar region to start a fight.
Don't worry, Father. I'll only use it if I have to.
Raise your hands high above your head and drop your gun.
Alright, I surrender.
Which one of you is Joe Maya?
I'm Joe.
I'm Wangi. Damien asked me to take you to him as soon as possible. Follow me.
Man, he's so fast.
Let's go.
Hey, slow down.
Hurry!
This is as fast as I go.
Come on, hurry up!
Kid, there's nobody here.
Hey, Joe, I was waiting for you. Come on, I'll take you to our leader.
Are you sure it's okay, though?
Just leave him to me. Okay, let me introduce you. Joe, this is Venetian, the leader of the polar region, and also my dad.
Venetian is your dad? Now I understand why you got so angry when I told you he was a stubborn old man. That Venetian is a stubborn old man. Hey, Damien, what's doing, huh?
Try to have a little more respect when you talk about Venetian, man. Now you know.
Why have you returned?
Venetian, we've come on behalf of Princess Rowena to ask you for a favor. We need fuel and supplies to continue our journey.
I'm sorry, but I cannot help you.
Why not, Dad? These are good people. They could use our help.
I don't want to risk the lives of our people again by helping them out. Hazard and his legions will be back for them, and I don't want my people caught in the way. They must leave immediately.
All we're asking for is the fuel and supplies, Venetian, and we'll be out of your way.
What you're asking for is an impossibility. We cannot spare anything. Do you know how difficult it is to get supplies up here in the first place?
If you give us the supplies now, you'll spare yourselves a bitter confrontation with Hazard and have plenty of time to restock.
Venetian, Hazard's robot legion has entered the village.
What? They are attacking my people!
Help, Wangi! Mom, look out!
I'll show that overgrown trash can.
Wongi!
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm okay. Did I get him?
Hey, watch it.
They think it's our fault the robots came, attacked the village, and destroyed everything.
For years, the whereabouts of our village has remained a secret. Hazard's robots must have followed you here. Leave here immediately!
Get out of here! It's all your fault! We don't want you here! It's all your fault. Because of you, my mother was injured.
Wongi?
Go on, get out of here. We don't want any trouble because of you.
Joe, I think it's best if we head back to the ship.
Now destroy their headquarters!
What? Look, they're attacking!
Venetian, they're coming for the spaceship.
If we hand over the ship, perhaps they'll stop attacking the village.
Listen to me. We can't let Hazard get a hold of that ship. If we do, we're done for.
We have no other alternative. I must speak to Hazard. The welfare of our people comes first.
Yes, sir.
Dad?
Where are the supplies and fuel?
I'm sorry, but
We tried to talk to them, but none of them would listen to us except Damien.
we tried talking with Venetian, but he just wouldn't listen to anything we were telling him.
Perhaps I can negotiate with Hazard. He seems like an intelligent man. Maybe he'll listen to reason.
What? Have you lost it, man? Are you insane? That's the last one we're gonna be able to trust.
Commander Icelander, we've established communication with Hazard's ship.
Hazard, do you hear me?
What do you want, old man? You want to save your life?
If you're looking for the Xenos 5, then we'll give it to you. Just leave our people alone.
What?
We have nothing to do with them.
What?
Icelander, we must leave here. We can't endanger them any longer.
It's a little too late for negotiations, Venetian. You're not getting off the hook that easy. Not after all the fuel I've burned trying to find this frozen wasteland.
I told you, Dad, we've got to help Joe defeat these guys.
All the women and children must go to the shelters. Men, the time has come to defend our village. Hurry, we have no time to waste.